Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. You are watching Sphere News Network. It's the time 9 p.m. bulletins. I'm Madiha Saeed. Prime Minister lays foundation stones of Sahiwal Clean Water Project. Announced rupees 7.5 billion projects for health and sanitation. The Prime Minister said that an old man wants to see London and bring about revolution. All the bandits are blackmailing me. The Prime Minister Imran Khan accepted the transparency report had been not Maulana Fazlur Rahman is corrupt. Calling him Maulana is an insult to the scholars. Maryam Nawaz said that it is very easy to throw mud on others. Imran Khan told the truth that if the Prime Minister is close, there is no corruption everywhere. The one who throws mud at others turns out to be corrupt. Maryam Nawaz responds to Prime Minister's statement. Aswan Ghar said that those who eradicate corruption is 90 days have marketed corruption in 900 days. Corruption is on the rises under the so-called Sadiq and Amin government. The so-called honest people who excuse others of corruption should become resigned immediately. There is no plan, but corruption is on the rise. It is an incompetent government. Pakistan beat South Africa in first test. Africa bowled out for 239 runs. In second innings, Pakistan defeated South Africa by 7 wickets. Nouman Ali playing the first test took 5 wickets.